Hex screwdrivers are a versatile and essential tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional tradesperson. There are many products available to choose hex screwdrivers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best hex screwdrivers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Klein Tools 32307 Multi-Bit Tamper-Proof Screwdriver. The Klein Tools 32307 Multi-Bit Tamper-Proof Screwdriver is a 27-in-1 tool equipped with tamper-proof bits and a 1/4" H-nut driver. Its stainless steel barrel ensures great impact and wear resistance. The screwdriver features onboard storage for 26 tamper-proof bits and a 1/4" nut driver, with double-sided bits conveniently housed in the handle, eliminating the need for a bulky bit block. The barrel also contains powerful rare earth magnets, securing bits and fasteners. Additionally, the cushion grip handle provides maximum comfort. Number 2. Chardon Multi-Screwdriver 13-in-1 Screwdriver. The Chardon Multi-Screwdriver set is a versatile 13-in-1 tool that includes all the bits you need for various repair tasks. With a 1/4" nut driver and 12 common screwdriver bits, this set reduces the number of tools you have to carry. The adjustable design features a 4.53" extension shaft, allowing you to work in hard-to-reach areas. The screwdriver handle has an integrated bit holder for convenient storage and quick bit changes. The cushion grip bimaterial handle provides comfort and slip resistance, while the magnetic bit holder ensures speedy and secure bit changes. Made with CRV steel, this screwdriver set is durable and backed by Chardon's lifetime warranty. Number 3. RC Screwdriver Tools Kit 7 PCS Hex Screwdriver Set. The Young RC Screwdriver Tools Kit includes 7 hex screwdrivers with sizes ranging from 0.9 mm to 3.0 mm. These screwdrivers are made of high-speed steel, with precision machining, resistant to stripping and breaking, and rust-free. They're suitable for disassembling hex screws in various RC models, such as helicopters, cars, boats, and drones. The non-slip aluminum alloy handle is marked with a clear size for easy identification. To ensure satisfaction, the recommended screwdriver storage rack is available for purchase, and customer support is available for any inquiries. Number 4. TechPrem 1/4" Magnetic Bit Driver. The TKPREM Magnetic Bit Holder Screwdriver Handle is a heavy-duty screwdriver bit holder that features a 1/4" magnetic bit adapter, strong magnet tip, non-slip handle, and 190 mm length. The strong magnet tip can hold both bits and screws, making it convenient for different repairs. The non-slip handle is comfortable to hold and ensures a secure grip while in use. The 190 mm length is perfect for reaching deep and hard-to-reach areas. This screwdriver bit holder is a must-have for anyone holding bits. Number 5. Ratcheting Screwdriver Set. The Maxo Pro 19-in-1 ratcheting multi-screwdriver is a convenient and practical tool for any handyman. It features 8 double-ended bits, 16 tools total, made of extra S2 solid steel material, and a strong PP handle coated with TPR material for a secure grip. It also has a robust switch for forward and reverse and locking position, and a bit storage designed for a perfect screwdriver handle. This screwdriver set can be used for any common item like cabinets, refrigerators, computers, bicycles, and cars.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.